Hey guys, so we're back in my kitchen today. I thought that I would bring you an average what I eat in a day, because after I did my detox video, which went down really well with you guys, I'm so glad that you enjoyed it, but after I did that, a few of you were saying that you would really like to see what I just eat in an average day, and you've been DMing me and all that stuff, so I thought I would bring you that today. By the way, cut a fringe into my hair, didn't I? What are we thinking about it? This isn't the best it's looked, to be honest. Like, it has looked better. I dried it the last time I washed it and it looked much better than this. I dried this, didn't do the same thing, but I don't mind it. I quite like it. Let me know what you think down below. But it's currently lunchtime. I was in no fit state to film this morning, but I will include clips of my breakfast for you. So for breakfast I had overnight oats, which is something that I have quite often. I'll either have porridge, overnight oats, or just a banana. So for my overnight oats, I made them obviously the night before, and I just put in porridge oats, chia seeds, almond milk. I mixed some nutmeg in there, and then I topped that off with raspberries and blueberries, and I just put it in the fridge to set overnight, and I ate that in the morning, and that is such a nice filling breakfast. It's also great for if you're on the go and you just don't have much time to make breakfast in the morning. And I had that with my cafetiere with a bit of oat milk in my coffee as well. I've started having a cafetiere every morning. I mentioned this in my Q&A video, and honestly, love it. It's such a nice part of my day. I really love it. So that's what I had for breakfast. That usually keeps me full until lunch, to be honest. So for lunch today, I'm having something that I have quite often. It's one of my favorite lunches. We're having a slice of whole wheat toast with, there is no clean way to put avocado on stuff, is there? I hate touching avocado, but we're having avocado on there. I'm just gonna mash that in with my fork. Gonna put a squeeze of lime on there, some coriander. Literally, I would season my entire life in coriander if I could. I love it so much. I grow it in the garden, but it's not really the time of year for it. I just have it out of the garden in the summer. And I'm gonna put some smoked salmon on there. This is seasoned with dill. And then I'm gonna boil some water, and I'm gonna just poach an egg. I don't have an egg poacher, so I just do the little whirlwind method and stick that in there. I usually cook the egg, by the way, while I am making this, but I wanted to film this and I didn't know how to coordinate it, so we're doing it separately. And then I stick some pepper on there. And this, my friends, is lunch. Oh, I'm so excited to eat that. It's dinner time. I am fancying, do you know what? I wouldn't normally eat fish more than once in a day, but I'm really fancying a tuna steak. So I'm gonna have a tuna steak, and I am gonna have it with baked aubergine. That is something that I really enjoyed. This angle is like ridiculous. I'm basically just crouching down. But yes, let's get to it. So for my marinade for my aubergine, I am gonna use some rose harissa, and I'm just having one aubergine, but I'll put like that much in. And usually I chop my own garlic, but today I'm using the lazy garlic because honestly, one of my like pet hates is chopping garlic. I really hate that it makes your hands smell. I'm just gonna put a decent amount of that in. And then I'm gonna squeeze some lime juice in there and a little bit of olive oil. And then I'm just gonna stir all this together and put it over the top of my aubergine. So as you can see, I've scored, well, slightly more than scored this one, but I've scored them and I've put my little marinade on, and I've preheated my oven to 200, and I'm gonna pop these in for half an hour, and I'm gonna come back to do my tuna steak. You're fully capable of going through that cat flap on your own. Stop waiting for me to open the door. Go on, you can do it. Go on, Maze. Babes, we've had this chat before. You can do it. You can do it. What's the issue? Oh, really? Well, are you gonna go through then? Go on. Nah, she's gonna wait there and hope that I open the door, and I never do. Yes, you know I don't. I'm not that soft. You can open it yourself. Go on. Babe. I'm gonna stick my coconut oil in my pan. Oh man, it's like totally hard. And this is my dinner, guys. I swear it is more appetizing than it looks. It tastes delish. But I do actually usually have yogurt on top of my aubergines, but I've just realized that I don't have any. So we've gone with coriander instead, but I'm so looking forward to this. And I'm gonna have a large glass of wine with my dinner, because why ever not on a Monday night, eh? So I've just finished my dinner, and I really fancy a chocolate to have with the rest of my wine. So I think I'm gonna have this one. And that is everything that I am eating today. That is a pretty normal day for me. Those are like some of my favorite things to eat. But yeah, do let me know if you'd like me to film more of these videos. If you enjoyed it, give me some feedback. I'd love to hear it in the comments, and give the video a cheeky little thumbs up as well if you enjoyed it, guys. And I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Bye.